Hello people, Carl Muller, Travel and Adventure. I'm back on deck again. I've had various problems this year, not being able to produce anything, but we'll see if we can get back into it now. This time, this was when I took a trip to the US to visit my son who does this club motor racing. So to just give you a bit of a view at what he does at one of these tracks. He's in the yellow spec Boxster 128. When you see it going around, that's his car. So alright, we'll get into it and you can have a bit of a look and see if you're interested. Thanks for watching.